Leetcode daily challenge. Question 313. Longest balanced substring number 1. This is a medium problem. The question is asking us to find out if a substring is with the same number of all characters. So let's take a substring for example. If we use a dict to count the frequency of each character, then here A, B, C, there will be 2 times of A, 1 times B, 1 times C. If I turn this dict into a list, I can get a 2, 1, 1. Then if I turn it into a set, it would be 2, 1. You can see the length of this set is 2. What if it is 1? When it is 1 means all frequency in this dict is 1. That means they are all the same. So the flag we're gonna check is if this 1 is equal to 1 or not. If it is 1, then it is the substring we are looking for, and we're gonna find out the longest one among all these valid substrings. But that's the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.